Hey there, this is Sonny. I've been helping people go solar, residential solar and commercial solar since 2011 here in Arizona. Work a lot with APS homeowners, a lot with SRP homeowners, but today we're going to be talking about APS homeowners. And a common question that I get asked by customers that have been customers of mine for years and even other people's customers, because this is not a very widespread knowledge. So I'm going to teach you something today that most people just don't know, and that is how to verify APS's accounting for your solar system's production. This way, once you see their accounting, you can compare it, what your solar system's actually doing versus what it was designed to do. What is APS saying that your solar system created for the day, for the month, for the year, all that good stuff. So the first thing you're going to do is log into your account, the APS website, log into your profile, and you'll see this screen. You'll go to, there's going to be a couple of menu options here. You'll go to My Energy, and there's a drop down. Go ahead and click on Daily and Hourly Usage. That's going to bring you to this screen where you're going to see right in the middle electricity usage. And then underneath that, it'll say for service at, and it's got a drop down. It's got your address, and then there is a drop down with your address with an asterisk. Make sure that where it says electricity usage for service at, you see your address with the asterisk. This is for solar system reporting. Now underneath this, you're going to see a chart that's going to give some daily visual representation of what the solar system did. And so, it looks like, man, this solar system's jamming. It's the best part of the year. We got long days, a lot of sunlight. So we're really overproducing this time of year. And you'll see like June 1st, wow, 80 kilowatt hours. And then you look over here, June 13th, 55. Maybe we had a cloudy day that day or it was rainy. I don't know. But you see a visual representation. Well, I want to see a spreadsheet. That way I can just add it up and work with a real number. So go over here to your right hand, and I'm going to, the right hand side, and I'm going to change it to the end of May because I want to compare end of month production versus what it's designed to do for the month. So once you have May, the end of the month date in there, go ahead and click month, and it's going to bring up the whole month of May. Now, I don't want to sit here and kind of guess by looking at it, so I want it in a spreadsheet. So go ahead and click on download meter data with that Excel icon there. And then the APS website is going to give you a prompt that says, hey, what do you want to do with this spreadsheet? You want to open it? You want to save it? Where do you want to save it? Or do you want to cancel? Oops, was that a mistake? Nope, we want to open it. So go ahead and click open. And it's going to launch my Excel program on my computer. And in order to modify anything that has been sent my way, I need to click this button, Enable Editing. I don't know why it does this when APS sends a spreadsheet, a worksheet for you to look at. But this 81.878, my Excel program is actually interpreting it as data or as text. So I'm going to change this whole column to actual numbers. And maybe there's an easier way to do it. I don't know. I'm not an Excel wizard, but I'm going to go ahead and change these all to numbers. And if it's 81.8, I'm going to put 82. If it's 81.4, I'm going to put 81. So I'm going to round up. If it's greater than 0.5 or 0.5 and greater, round down if it's, lower than that. So here we go. So just give me a minute. Appreciate your patience. 82.0, enter. 59. Enter. 81. Enter. 81. Enter. 70. Enter. 75. Enter. 64. Enter. 64. Enter. 73. Enter. 78. Enter. 73. Enter. 63. Enter. 82. Enter. 82. Enter. 74. 85 dot enter, 81 dot enter, 83 dot enter, 81 dot enter, 47 dot enter, 52 dot enter, 55 dot enter, 65 dot enter. Sorry, running out of gas here, and try not to be too annoying with that, but I'm just trying to let you guys know that I am actually here. So we'll go ahead, and this doesn't need to be perfect. I mean, you guys can, when you're looking at your own production, you can get real granular with it. I'm just doing this as an exercise. So once all these numbers are typed into the column, and now my Excel spreadsheet or my Excel program, it now interprets them as numbers. I'm going to go up here to the upper right hand column and click auto sum. Once I see this, that equals sum, and it's basically saying the E3 cell down to the E33 cell, just go ahead and click enter, and it's going to give me this number 2342. Now that total, I always like to make totals larger so I can see them. And a lot of times I just, send this to the homeowner. But I've got 2342. Well, now what was this solar system supposed to create? Now, when I look at the original design, looks like it's at 20,525 for the year, which is an average of 1710. But it actually produced 2342. Well, for the month of May, we were at 136% of production. I know that's super exciting and that's awesome, but just remember, when we're dealing with months of the year with a little bit less sunlight, like November, December, January, we might be a little bit under that annualized target, but it's all going to make it so we hit that annual target. So hopefully with this tutorial, you now know how to see what APS is accounting your solar system production for. If you have any questions, or if there's anything I can do to help you, if you know of anybody thinking about going solar or curious about solar anywhere in the country, please have them give me a call, 480-200-4486.